Back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing 2 limited edition items. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and let's get to it. Is this perfume set? So yeah, excuse the noise in the background. It's my baby brother playing with things. So this is a perfume set from, oh my gosh, they're like glass. Look at that. 1.
No!
2. 3. Look at, they're glass and they're like perfume bottles. Those are so cute. The other one is, those are the only ones, Joey. What are you talking about? Okay, number 2 is this OPI limited edition mini nail polish set. So it's like pink, white shades, you know. So pop these out. Okay. So there's these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are like the fancy perfume ones. Like you like pop the top off, and there's like a hole. It's like the square thing, and you like dab it on your. Oh, I did that. Dab it on your wrist and rub it in. I think it's a fancy perfume. Like and subscribe down below, and say cheese.